everyone. So here goes the explanation. The question says that a circle of radius 4 centimeter, okay, a circle is given of radius 4 centimeter is divided as shown by 4 semicircles. So we can see here a circle, okay, and that is divided by 4 semicircles. Can you see these are small semicircles, right? There are 4 total. So there are 4 semicircles with radius 2 centimeter, and the radius of this semicircle is 2 centimeter, okay, into 4 congruent parts. What do you mean by congruent parts? Congruent parts means all these parts are equal, okay. This total part, this and this, all 4 parts are equal, okay. What is the perimeter of one of these parts? The question is asking the perimeter, okay. So let us see what we need to find. We need to find this perimeter, okay. I'm just drawing over it. So this is the perimeter of one figure, right? This is the now the perimeter. So you can see this is the shape. If I draw here, it will look like something like this. There is a semicircle, okay, and there is another semicircle this side, okay, and this is the circumference of the bigger circle. So exactly I need to find the perimeter of this region. So let us see how to find this. Okay, so let us take capital R is the radius of the bigger circle. So this becomes the center, right? This is the center O, we can name it, and this is the capital R. So let us write, let capital R is the radius of the bigger circle, okay, is the radius of bigger circle, okay. So now what is the circumference of this part? It is actually 1/4. From here, if I see, if I turn, you see, I'll just draw it. Exactly, I have to reach here, right? So this is 1/4 of the total circumference. So total circumference is 2 pi r. Total circumference is 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r. So let us name this region. We'll name this region as ABC. Okay, let us name this. That means what is the circumference of AC? It is 1/4, right? So perimeter of, I can write perimeter or length. We can write length, right? So let us write, so length of AC. Length of AC will be what? It is 1/4 of 2 pi r, okay? Because it is the 1/4 part. So this is 2 ones are 2 twos are, so it is pi r by 2, okay? That means I got my length of AC. Now I need to find BC and AB. Now BC and AB both are the same semicircles, right? BC and AB are the same semicircles. So if I find length of one semicircle, then for the other it is the same, right? So now radius of AB semicircle, what will it happen? AB semicircle is, what is the radius? See, now if we see, suppose this is AB, right? So the diameter is R. If you see the semicircle, the diameter is R. So radius will be R by 2. Okay, so the radius of the AB semicircle is R by 2. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter will be 2 pi r. Here my r is r by 2, okay, and it is half, it is a semicircle, so again I'll do divide with 2, right? So this is my perimeter of one part, that is nothing but pi r by 2, okay, that is the perimeter of one part. You can say AB. So perimeter of BC is also the same thing, okay, or we can say the side, length of the side. So now length of BC is also pi r by 2, right? Okay. So now what is the total perimeter of the figure? The total perimeter of the figure is AB plus BC plus AC, right? Total perimeter is AB plus BC, okay. What is one more part? Let us see. AB, BC, and this is AC, right? Plus AC. So AB and BC I got both are pi r by 2, okay. So this is pi r by 2 plus pi r by 2, and what was AC? What did we get? Let us see. We got AC also pi r by 2. Okay, so it is pi r by 2. So it is 3 times pi r by 2. So it is 3 pi r by 2. Now I know r, the radius of the bigger circle is given to us, right? The circle of radius 4 centimeters. So the bigger circle r is 4 centimeter. Now we know that r is equal to 4 centimeters. So let us put in that place. So what we will get is equal to 3 pi into 4 by 2. So this is 2 2s are. That means what am I getting? 6 pi. Therefore the perimeter of the figure perimeter of the figure is 6 pi. Okay, figure is 6 pi. So let us see which option is correct. So it's option C. If you see, option C. Okay, therefore the correct option is C, 6 pi. Okay, thank you. Hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.